Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can cancel Noon subscriptions. Noon has Noon One. So Noon One is a premium subscription service offered by Noon, an online shopping platform in the Middle East. And it provides benefits like free shipping, exclusive discount, and priority customer service for a monthly or yearly fee. And Noon One in here has its benefits like you can get unlimited free delivery, special price drops, faster response from Noon support team, and you can also has quick delivery and no minimum order requirement. And the pricings, it's available on a monthly or annual subscription basis. The pricing varies by countries, United Arab Egypt or KSA. So it often offers free trial periods for new users. And before I'm showing you how I tell you how you can unsubscribe or stop the subscription to Noon, I'm going to tell you first how you can subscribe to it. So you can just log into your Noon account and then go to Noon One membership in your account settings. Choose a subscription plan, monthly or yearly, and then enter the payment details and confirm. And then if you want to cancel the Noon subscriptions, you can easily do it by again access your account. So open the Noon apps and log into your Noon account and click on my account. Navigate to Noon One and select Noon One from the menu, and then you can just click on the manage membership and choose the options to cancel membership. And after cancellation, your membership will remain active until the end of the current subscription period and will not renew thereafter. So this applies to both free trials and also paid memberships. But if you encounter any issues during cancellation process, you can always contact the Noon customer support for assistance. But I think if you shop frequently on Noon, the free shipping and exclusive deal can save your money. However, if you shop rarely, it might not be worth the subscription fee. So just choose your preparations. And so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.